Hydroelectric power is one of the oldest and cleanest sources of electricity in the world. It uses the natural movement of water to generate power without burning the fuel or releasing harmful gases. At the heart of its system is the hydroelectric dam, a massive structure built across a river to control the water flow and converts its energy into electricity. To understand how it works, let's go step by step. You are watching the Universal Knowledge Group channel. In today's videos, we know about how did the hydroelectric dam work. Let's start the video. A hydroelectric dam is built across the river, creating a large reservoir behind it. It stores the water in not just the water, it holds the potential energy due to its height. The higher the water level, the more potential energy it has. This is why the dams are usually built in highly mountainous areas, where the water can be stored at the significant height. The dam's main purpose is control the flow of water. Gates in the dam regulate how much the water is released. To control release is key in producing electricity safely and efficiently. When the electricity is needed, the water is released from the reservoir through an opening called the intake. From here, the water flows into the large pipe known as the penstock. The penstock directs the water downward toward the turbine. The water travels through the penstock, gravity pulls it down at the high speed. During this process, the water potential energy changes into kinetic energy, meaning the energy of motion. The faster the heavier the water flow, the more energy it carries. At the end of the penstock, the turbine which plays a circular role in the electricity generation. The fast moving water strikes the turbine blade, causing them to spin. A different type of turbines are used to depending on a water pressure and flow, and such as the Francis Calpen and the Pelton turbines. Think of the turbine like a large water wheel. The water keeps flowing. The turbine keeps rotating. This rotation converts the kinetic energy of water into mechanical energy. The turbine is connected to the generator through the shaft. When the turbine is spin, it turns the generator as well. Inside the generator called the coil and wire and strong magnets. As the coil rotates with the magnetic field, they produce electricity through the process called the electromagnetic induction. This is the same basic principle used in a mini power plant. The difference is that instead of steam of the fuel turning the turbine, flowing water does not the job. The electricity produced by the generator is not yet ready to be used in the homes and industries. The voltage is increased using the transformer. High voltage electricity can travel a long distance with a less energy loss. From the power station, the electricity flows to the transmission line to the cities, towns, factories and the villages. At the substation near the home, the voltage is reduced again to make it safe for a daily use. After processing through the turbine, the water does not go to the waste. It exits the dam through the canals called the tailrace and flow back into the river. This makes the hydroelectric power renewable energy sources, as the same water can reuse again and again through the natural water cycle. The hydroelectric power depends heavily on the natural water cycle.